Hello, my dear students. I am Joma James, your social studies teacher. Today, I am continuing Chapter 7 Fundamental Rights and Duties. Before we study the lesson, let us have a recap of what we have learned last two classes. What is fundamental rights? Fundamental rights is a set of basic rights which every Indian citizen enjoys. These rights are those privileges which are essential for the growth and well being of an individual. There are six fundamental rights. The fundamental duties are defined as the moral obligations of all citizens to help promote a spirit of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India. Directive principles of state policy. Our constitution has laid down certain guidelines for the government to follow. These are called the directive principles. This helps the government to work for the welfare of the people. Do you know why this is called directive principles? Because these principles are directing the government or state to work for the welfare of the people. Some important directive principles are all the citizens, men and women, should have equal right to work and make a living. Both men and women should be given equal pay for equal work. All the people should be provided basic facilities like food, shelter, and medical care. Health and living standard of people should be improved. Interests of people belonging to the scheduled tribes, scheduled castes, and other backward classes of the society should be protected. Every child should get compulsory education up to 14 years of age. The rich should not exploit the poor. Do you know what is the meaning of exploit? Exploit means make full use of and derive benefit from. Promote international peace and security. Here you can see the emblem of United Nations. Main mission or aim of United Nations is to maintain international peace and security and promote friendly relations between countries. Provide free legal help to all citizens for securing justice. Protect all historical monuments, objects, and places of national importance. Here you can see Taj Mahal. It is a historical monument. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Protect and improve the environment. forest and wildlife of the country. Now, let us have a summary of what we have learned today. There are some fundamental rights that the Constitution guarantees the citizens of India for their better life. Just as the Constitution has given us certain rights, it has also given us some fundamental duties to perform as responsible citizens of the country. Constitution has laid down certain principles for the government to follow to ensure that citizens enjoy a life of dignity and security. These principles are called the directive principles. That is all for today. Next class, I will discuss all exercise given at the back of the lesson. Thank you, children.